We're here in Karkar, Cebu. Dito sa famous na lechon area no, ng Karkar. So we just had our lunch here. In this area, you have to experience the very flavorful and tasteful na lechon. Ito sa balok, no, yung cutting, yung chopping ng lechon. Ano? Ano? Ayan. Nakat niya. For 1 kilo yun.
Ma'am, ubusin mo na ito, ma'am. 60 yan, ma'am.
Okay. Pilang per kilo sa ito, lechon?
700, sir.
700, okay. Sarap na.
Ito lang, ma'am. Ito ang bayad na, eh.
So 700 pesos yung per kilo ng lechon. So aside from lechon, they have yung mga kakanin, they have yung mga chicharon, no? Iba-iba. So stop over din to, yung Karkar. So kami naman is galing kaming Cebu. We're going to Uslob. So daan kaming Simala mamaya. No? Just ahead of Karkar, in between Uslob. Yeah. We had our lunch here, no, sa Karkar. Of course, kung mag-lunch ka dito, there's no other delicacy that you have to eat kundi yung the famous lechon, Karkar lechon. Yeah. So, this area you have yung marami yung pan dito, ipabenta mga pasalubong side, no? Of course, yung chicharon andyan, no? So we bought yung chicharon dito sa place na to. This is chicharon, yung area. Yung chicharon nila, binili namin area. So famous siya for travelers. Yung iba naman dinadayo talaga yung place na to, no? Ibang klase yung lechon dito. So naging kuha na rin siya iconic, no, place. Dito sila, no, mag-lunch for lunch. Wala, ubos yung lechon. Wipe out yung lechon natin. Yan, ubos na ubos yung lechon.